Okay, today I want to explain a little bit more about the use of our 10 ml adapter in combination with different vials. We have designed our 10 ml adapter to be used for insulin vials. Insulin vials have a type of rubber which is different in material and shape than practice vials. Practice vials are typically with injection water. They are perfect for training purposes. But the problem is that our current existing adapters for insulin vials are not compatible with these types of vials. And I will show you why. So this is a sterile standard adapter. Our sterile adapter has a very short needle, and we do this to minimize the insulin residue in the vial after use. So this vial is already empty, just to illustrate the purpose. And if you look into it, you can just see that the needle barely punctures the septum. You can just see it. In this way, we ensure that almost all the insulin can be used up. This is a problem with these saline injection water vials. They have a different type of rubber and they have a shape which causes air to collect near to the rubber, and it's basically entrapped. When you then install the standard adapter, the needle tip is very close to this rubber geometry where all the air is trapped. And then once you try to draw in the training water, training liquid, basically you're drawing in air. So we solve this by introducing a new practice adapter, and this practice adapter is non-sterile. Okay, so it's only for training purposes. So I'll show you how it works. You can immediately see that the needle is longer than the standard needle. So make sure that when you position it in the middle of the vial, so there is minimum stress on the rubber. You take your injector, and this can be an InsuJet for human use or a PET jet for animal use, it doesn't matter. Make sure it's set, so you can see the green mark. Remove the cover. Remove the cover from your vial adapter. Connect them. And after connecting, I always give it a tap, just to make sure that all of the air, but the possible air, is removed from the needle. Okay? Then I draw to the target dose. So for example, if I need 20 units for human use, I will draw to 22, which is 2 additional units. I'll disconnect. I confirm visually that the nozzle is filled with liquid. And you also have a confirmation when you turn backwards, because you can actually see the water exiting. So let me just briefly remove the excess water. I'll install a comfort ring, and I will do a training injection on my injection skin. So I use my safety switch, I push against the target injection site and make sure I'm perpendicular. And that's how you do a training injection using our needle-free injection device.